Hello everyone, I also wanted to show how the bayonet fit onto the Troop Speciale Vetterli. As you can see, that original model 1870 bayonet is very long and it almost makes up half the body length of this full carbine. Just like other Vetterlis, this bayonet fits on side mounted. And the reason the bayonets for this era were so long was to counter cavalry charges. If you'd like to learn more about military antiques, please check out my Patreon. Link is available in the description, as I have published a book on my full collection. Thank you for watching.